Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be visiting the rawabi dairy farm. Well, here we are moving out of the place. So basically we just watch how the cows gives us milk. So let's go. That was an unexpected car wash. This is the place where we see how the cows are being giving the milk. You know what I mean? So let's go inside. This is where the cows line up and give their milk from these machines. As you can see, they're lining up one by one. How these cows trained for it? That's what I'm surprised. If you guys know, tell me in the comments. Well, off to our next location. Aw, baby cows! So cute. This is the place where all the big cows eat and take rest or naps. Just like human beings. Except they're animals, you know them. And there is a tracker in every cow's ear which tracks their how many times they have went through the process. More baby cows. How many of them are there? This is where all the milk is cooled. In this container, all the milk is cooled in this container. See the big ball thing? That's where all the milk is fertilized. Hey guys, so as you guys saw the rawabi dairy farm, it was pretty fun. We saw a lot of cows, a lot of baby cows. So why did I cut it the last part? Because they said that the photography or taking videos are not allowed. But I can tell you what happened inside. So basically what happened inside is, workers are putting milk inside the bottles. There are 1 liter, 1.5 liter, 2 liters of bottles. They fill milk. And there are caps which goes magnetic, I think. It's less slope and it just goes up, then it goes out through a hole. Just pretty cool though. And then I saw a person making filling milkshakes in a bottle. I think it's a strawberry milkshake, yeah. I saw a person filling a strawberry milkshake. It was pretty fun, but they didn't show us how they make croissants or juice. That's a bit of a bad, but still it was good though. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So peace, bye bye.